What's up? I think my mic is working. Let me get uh, everything else flowing here. Let's get the videos going. I think this should come through now. Yeah. Alright, bring that down. Let me make sure that my voice is not being overpowered by the music. Okay, cool. We get our stream booted up. The stream. Discord. I actually was going back and forth between streaming or not streaming today, which is crazy. I got to change the. Did I put in the wrong hashtags? Hold on. Oh yeah. We don't need that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. Video should be updated now. Let's see. Yeah, then we decided that we are going to stream today, and it was actually helpful that it was very helpful that I streamed today because I forgot that I was almost out of usage for a second. And I started using my Ollama still. So we're going to boot up our project in Windsurf. We still got a little trial going for this. That's it looks like I'm pretty much out of usage for the week. I'm at like 95%. So probably going to be assuming I lock in this weekend, we're probably going to be upgrading to either GPT or Cursor and test out Cursor. Because I hear Cursor has been trending a little bit on Twitter or whatever. So I wanted to check it out. I was playing around with it last night. I used the free plan or whatever. But boy, did I max that thing out quick. Which, you know, it's free, so I get it. But let me go ahead and let's just boot up our project inside here. Let me make sure that everything came through on announcements in my Discord. Okay. Alright, how do we actually... I could have swore... Oh, okay, I gotta go into that mode. Alright, let's drag and drop this in here. Yup, trust the authors. Grab this, pull this over a little bit. Let's boot up Handy. Handy. Alright, so we have a bit of manual list going on. I forget where it is. iCloud Notes right now. for everything that we still need to do to this site. This is the endless site from hell, I believe. But we will finish this eventually, or we'll die trying. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Let's see here. So, what we're fixing right now, and I want to get this on the same page as my live stream. We're fixing, the site is not like updating based off Square properly. So the site is not updating properly based off Square. When I delete modifiers on Square or unattach them from certain items, it is not syncing on the website. It's not syncing on the admin page. First and foremost, it needs to sync everything that Square has. It shouldn't be overridden by Supabase or any of this other stuff. It needs to come directly from Square. Let me just in case, because we have had so many issues with certain things, features like this on the site that have just messed things up. So let me create another window. Push all the changes to GitHub. Let's do that first. So yeah, we're going to use Windsurf for a little bit. I'm not sure if we're going to run it till it runs out, or if we're just going to be on here for a little bit, because a lot of this is going to be manual stuff, but we'll see. So the side, can I move this to here? Like, I don't feel the need to have this extra window open if we don't have to. Alright. Boom, boom. Bro, while this is working in the background, I want to boot up friggin' Type Racer, man. I feel like my typing speed has went up, but maybe I'm just tripping. Let's do one test real quick, because I'm just curious. Ah, fuck, dude. That fucked it up. Fuck, dude. Yeah, I think I'm tripping. Alright, that's the same typing speed I always get. Alright, let's accept the changes. Let's go ahead, pop back on the site. Let's see if that's fixed anything. Alright, All right, so what project were we focused on? I forget which one it even was. All right, so gourmet cupcakes. Gourmet cupcakes. Yeah. No. It didn't update. Like it's still got yeah, it's not syncing still. The website still has more modifiers on one of the items where in Square it has one less, and those changes are not being brought to the website like they should. See how fast we run through usage. All right, so on 52%. Come on, Windsurf, have the best results ever, and then I'll think about resubscribing to your plan. Even though you've rate limited me so heavily while using this. And I'm sure that's probably just a trial thing, but am I willing to take the risk? Probably not. Let me look, because probably on both, honestly. I've spent so many hours on this project, it's not even funny. Like, I've literally been working on this for like weeks now. I've spent absolute ton of time on this project. We're having a major issue with loading the site now. All right. I believe it is both, but I can't fully check because there is an issue loading the site on the site, not the admin page. Okay, hold up. Get that in. Hold on. Boom. What is it? It's gourmet cupcakes. It's on both. I should have honestly had the AI keep a list of the things that it's doing, because when I'm switching around to different models and stuff, I think it kind of loses track of what is good and what's not. So, you know, let me join in Bridgemind. Fucking. Bing bang. You wouldn't get any traction to this shit, man. Well, now we got a fucking bullshit and a half, dude. Let's see. Dude, it's still syncing the filling. Like, that makes no sense, bro. Still affecting. Let me see. Did I not save it on Square or something? Like, why? All right, it's been saved. Let's go. Let's sync from Square. Still filling, man. The I don't want this to like one-off fix and then we run into like a bunch of other Oh, you know what? Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it is. Is there an override on this? We need to check all the overrides because I do remember doing that actually, and maybe that's bugging it out. Yeah, let me see what this does. Alright, please visit. We accept the changes. Reload. Reload. See what happens. Did it fix itself? What's going on, guys? Another day in the paradise of endless bug fixing, what it feels like on this website. It just, for whatever reason, it will not sync this no matter what we do. I do not know why. Let me see. 18 products, 0 errors. Still see it on the site. Unless we need a hard refresh. Control F5. Okay. Control F5. We do the same here. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. Let me know what you got going on, what you're working on. Hopefully, not as much bug fixing. Because this shit's actually been driving me nuts, dude. This issue keeps going back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, I don't know. I still see it on the site. Even after hard refresh. Let me see here. Compiling. All right. Compiling. Yeah, this is straight hallucinating, dude. Telling me that I found the real problem. I'm not gonna believe this for 5 seconds until I actually see it. Because it's straight been just straight yapping, dude. Tell me that I resolved the problem for like days. This is literally an ongoing issue that I've spent so many hours I don't need to see where anything's coming through, bro. We just need to get this issue resolved. Alright, so it's not showing anything different on my end. Still showing it. Yep, still showing it. Even though I'm Square billings modifier on that item, even though I removed it on Square, I don't want you to remove it yourself. I want you to make that sync with Square button work, so that way that disappears when I click that button, because everything will really be synced with Square. I think that's pretty straightforward. I think that's pretty straightforward here. You just can't do. Alright, let's see if this worked. Alright, let's see. Come on. Loading. It might not load because there might not be any items on the site. Okay, there are items on the site. Sync from Square. Syncing. Come on, man. Bring it on, bring it on. Bring it on, bring it on. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Right, so weird. Yep, don't want that on the screen. That does not look like very user friendly. All right, let me see if I can find maybe it's still attached to the item somehow. Let me see here. Yo, what's going on, Burn Engineer? How you doing, man? Working on a website, my man. We've been caught in the endless loop of this website, unfortunately, just trying to bug fix something, man. I just want to be done with this project, get paid, and then move on to the next thing. Should be super simple, but we're having a syncing issue that just does not want to resolve for whatever reason. What are you working on, man? All right, mic test 1 2 3. Okay, my mic is coming through. Cool. Just making sure. Just making sure. Continue response. Yes, continue. Yeah, so this one right now is just a simple bakery website. Um, so um, this is what I'm working on at the moment. The issue that I'm facing right now is like I have like a whole admin page or whatever. Hold on, that's not the right thing. I have a whole admin page for the site, and the products should be syncing properly from Square because I'm using Square as a payment processor. But for whatever reason, it just doesn't want to update on the admin side of things when I update it on Square. Now, this has been an issue for a little bit, but I'm just trying to look to resolve it because then we have just a very short list of things that we have to do for the site just for an in-home bakery. But yeah, we're working on this. I also have something going for to bang out shorts on this channel. um, I'm building like a clipping program, and then I'm also clipping things with Hermes as well. But we're not working on that right now. For the most part, we're just kind of focused on the site. So yeah, it is like, client project, like sorta. It is family. So my mother essentially runs a bakery, and I'm building a site for her. Um, but my other project is really just for myself. I might sell it as like a SaaS or whatever. But yeah. What are you working on? What brings you to the stream, man? Did you find me from Bridgman? No, 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 no. So I'm doing this professionally, man. So like, I mean, as professional as a vibe coder can be. Um, but no, I'm well out of school. I was doing social media marketing, like slash like video editing, primarily like video editing, for a long time. Yo, what's going on, Patrick? How you doing, dude? How you doing, man? I missed the stream today, bro. Fill me in, man. What did I miss, bro? We're tuned in. The YouTube delay is so cooked on the chatter side. Holy, yeah, bro. It is. It is actually crazy. I'm currently exploring the potential of collaborating with people in vibe coding. Oh, bet, dude. Yeah, join my Discord down below, man. Um, I mean, we got a lot of really cool people in there. Patrick, the guy in the comments section right now is actually building out a pretty sweet cold email tool. Um, Patrick, you got to get in the Discord too, bro. Regular stuff. I just ran on camera for an hour and dip. What are you working on? So my mother runs a bakery out of her house. And I'm just working on a website for her right now. But I've been facing an issue with bug fixing this shit, man. For a little while. Yeah, no, I mean it's all good, bro. I didn't wanna like promote my Discord inside your Discord, dude. Like, you know what I mean? Nothing crazy going on. Fuck, dude, my fucking eyes twitching out here. Um, yeah, so fucking, I'm just trying to get the fucking the products like synced here, and I keep like fixing this bug and breaking it again. Um, so basically, if we have what is it? I think it might have just fixed. Knock on wood, but I think we might have just squashed the bug again. So hopefully it's good to go. All right, modifiers. Yep. Oh yeah. It fixed. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, man. I don't even know how to do that, bro. Like, what does that do if I'm working on different Git branches? Is it just like different like versions of like the same product or whatever? Because like I saw that was an option, but I didn't know what it fucking did. I tried it like one day, but I never even fucking touched it again, dude. What does that do? See, should have tuned into the stream. We went over this. Yeesh. Oh, bet, dude. I might have to I might have to rewatch the stream then. Get those views up. I think I tapped into it real quick and liked the stream. I'm not gonna put my site on your roast meter though. I'm sure my site will get absolutely roasted and obliterated though. Um, a Git branch is basically a split off to your main repo. So you can basically clone your main project, work on it, break it, and it won't affect the main branch. How do you I don't know, maybe this is a much deeper thing, but like how would you like re-put them together again or whatever after 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 doing that, man? If you run multiple agents, every agent should be their own branch. Oh shit, dude. Dude, I definitely need to watch your stream, bro. I definitely need to watch that shit. I think that's gonna be my my project later today. Watching that in the background while I'm working on shit. All right. On Gourmet CC, a slight increase in price, $3. Yep. All right, on cookies. So. All right, so I need to make a, what is this, a sizing option? Size required 6 5-ounce cookies or 12 what is this? 2.5 says 3-ounce cookies. Fuck, dude. It's called a merge. You merge the branches together. Before the merge, you will have an agent audit for something called merge conflicts. It's the best way to work on multiple features at once. Oh, bet, dude. All right, bet. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna need to tap into that right now, but I probably should have been using that all along for different things. Let me see if this actually updated on here or not. Patrick, I'm gonna invite you to some other Discords, bro. As well. Get you tapped in, my guy. I don't know if you'd be down to join in like fucking voice chat, but we're always in fucking voice chat in this other server that I'm in. Let me fucking invite you right now. Hold on. Shit. What's your name on here, dude? Arctic. Alright, oh, wait, maybe we're not friends on Discord. Hold on. Thought we were. Oh, shit, we're not friends. Oh, shit. Let me add you to this other shit. Fucking hang on. If you get errors, this will make sure they don't happen. When you said, I keep having this bug, keep happening, that's what made me think of it. Lol. Yeah, bet, dude. No, I'm sure that's gonna be fucking fire as hell, dude. I throw down. I'm pretty crashed though. You gonna crash, bro? That's cool, man. Fuck. Okay. Invite you. I think I just added you, dude. I'm pretty sure. This server's fucking legit, bro. If you want to fucking pop into fucking VC, man, we're always fucking yapping in there, dude. It's like a yap session there without the stream. Everybody's just kind of working on their own thing, running different businesses and stuff. So that server's pretty fucking tapped in, dude. Probably fucking snag some people, and feel free to fucking post your server in my fucking server, dude. A lot of the same people are in there. I'm sure some people will join. Throw wherever the fuck you want, dude. What was I working on? I get fucking sidetracked here. Let me see. Done. Let's see. All right, cool. So that did update. No price difference, so that's fucking good. Why is that more expensive? All right. See. And talk a lot in the project. All right. Got my little list over here. Let me make sure there's nothing. I'll bring it up on screen. There's nothing in here that needs to stay hidden. No API keys or anything. Just my little notes. Let's see. Cookie toppers. Take out lemon filling. That's an easy one. Okay. All right. Think I'm probably gonna just run this stream probably for a few more minutes. I don't think there's like a lot of vibe coding that I have to do on this list. So I'll probably just fucking call it at that. I want to get to the fucking hour mark though. You know, just for the YouTube vibes. So if you want to stick around for another couple minutes, feel free. But other than that, I think we'll probably end up closing out the stream in a few minutes. It was going to be a fucking short one today because I pretty much just got to finish up this website either today or tomorrow, hopefully, and then, move on to the next thing. So, Cupcake Classic, take out the lemon filling, and, let's see. Take out the lemon filling. Oh wait, that's not filling. Shit. Alright, bet, dude. Appreciate it. Running my own audits. Working in the background, dude. It's a vibe, man. What are you auditing right now? You auditing prospect flow? There is no lemon filling, dude. Oh wait, no filling. There's no filling in general. Oh, bro, I really hope this shit didn't fuck up again. Yeah, Patrick, I'm definitely fucking watching your video on fucking branching and shit, dude. I'll be watching that live stream later, brother. I gotta get this shit figured out, man. Cupcake Classic. Yeah, there is no filling on here, so I probably fucked that up. Cupcake Classic filled. Oh, unless it was wrong, it wasn't supposed to be Cupcake Classic. It was supposed to be this one right here. Maybe it's supposed to be this. That makes more sense. Yeah. It was supposed to be that. Okay. Take out lemon filling. Did I click on? Nope. Merging my Git branches, pushing the free feature to main to go live. Oh shit, so you're doing what we're fucking talking about right now, bro. Oh shit. I recommend reading up as much as you can on security best practices, software architecture, and just how to build, test, validate at a high level. No code reading, just systems thinking. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, man. I'm gonna throw this in a note to myself, because you're definitely right on the money right there. I don't think any of what you just said is a bad idea. So 100%, dude. Appreciate that, man. Alright, filling, let's get rid of lemon. Let me just save that. Done. Done. Alright, Cupcake Classic filled, take out Sugar Cookie. Yep. Sugar Cookie gone. Oh shit, now everybody's starting to join, man. I don't know. Maybe we gotta keep this one going. Been missing a lot of the regulars in my past couple streams. I took a couple days off because I had some shit going on. Like, I mean, I was still vibe coding, but I just wasn't on stream. But then I lost a lot of the regulars, man. All right, let me see if this updated, because this will be another issue. 2, if that does not update, because sometimes that happens. All right, lemon's not on there. Yep. Okay, that's working. So we're Gucci. We're Gucci. I need to stop that. What do you need to stop? I need to stop my fucking eye twitching right now, dude. I don't know if you guys can fucking see it, but my fucking eyelid is like fucking bugging out over here, dude. Alright, for cakes, frosting, take out chocolate caramel pretzel. Okay. What are you stopping? What are you stopping, man? Yeah, dude, it's bad, bro. Like when you take a couple days off, it totally fucks you, dude. Um, like I don't know, man. Like I try to take as little days off as I possibly can, but sometimes I stream on my other channel and then I don't want to stream on this channel that day. So like that, and then also I had to bring my girl to the hospital the other day, so then I was just like, all right, I'm not gonna even bother with streaming, bro. It's not like, you know, it is what it is. We'll take a day. But yeah, I try to take as little breaks as possible. Obviously, you see, I take a couple breaks, but but I need to do more of what you're doing, dude. Like, I need to bang out some more shorts on the channel. I literally have, like, all the shorts made. Like, I don't know how good they are or whatnot. I've just been using Remotion and hyperframes and stuff through Hermes Agent right now. And then also, I'm building out the program I think I told you about in the background for, like, doing, like, basically the same thing. Just because I wanted to have a program for it as well. But, yeah, I need to actually get around to fucking actually posting shorts. I think that's going to be the next project after I finish this website. I think I'm going to work on that. Sometimes I do it on stream, and show it a little bit, but, yeah. Let's see. And then I gotta fucking start cold calling people too, bro. Cold calling, hit you up for the fucking cold emailing, bro. I don't think I've had much success with cold email. Dude, I have no idea. I have no idea how the fuck you're popping off on IG, bro. IG has been like the hardest platform to crack. Like, YouTube has always been easier for me. I mean, just fucking volume game. If you find that one fucking crack, what really blew up my last YouTube channel was Twitter, man. I saw that everybody was posting about like fucking Imangadzi, Magnates Media, whatever, and they had all these tutorials for After Effects, which is like the go-to, you know, like the go-tos are like After Effects, Premiere, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve now, but at the time it was just Premiere and After Effects, and nobody, or maybe like one person had posted like a DaVinci Resolve tutorial on how to edit like Magnates Media and Imangadzi. So I was like, fuck, dude. Like, I just keep seeing it again and again and again. So I was like, all right, I gotta stop being a bitch, dude. I gotta post a video on Magnates Media or Imangadzi and just fucking doing it. And that shit really blew up the channel, man. That, there were a couple other ones that did really well. I know you were looking at it on the stream briefly yesterday. But yeah, that just exploded the channel. And then, of course, I have a ton of videos, bro, that I just cringe at on the channel, and I have no idea how they get fucking views, bro. But yeah, they're still fucking on there. Because I don't give a fuck. I'm trying to just be authentic, bro. I've never removed anything or this, that, and the other thing. I think I've pretty much left everything as is on there for the most part. I post 10x a day on IG. Holy shit, bro. Damn. Alright, that makes sense. But still, dude, I feel like that platform is just hard to grow on, dude. I ran a 30K marketing agency off cold email, big dog. If you're doing agency work, it's the way. Yeah, I've never fucked with it, dude. I've only done a little bit of cold email. All my clients have come from Twitter or cold calling to this day, dude. But yeah, dude, that's fucking legit, bro. That's good business, man. Killing it, bro. I gotta get there. I gotta get there, man. I'm putting my mind to it, so we'll make it. We'll make it. That's what we're gonna do with AI. I'm not sure how yet, but we will. With websites, I think. I lied. We're gonna do websites and apps. Cupcake. Cupcake classic filled. For cake option, take away cinnamon and add cinnamon to the frosting. Might already did this. Take away cinnamon from the cake and add cinnamon to the frosting. All right. Cinnamon. Save that. All right. Did I just do that right? Cupcake classic filled for cake option. Yeah. You crazy, girl. You crazy. You crazy, girlfriend. My daughter in the background. Cupcake classic filled. Yeah, we did that.
Hey.
Alright, that should be go. Alright, yeah, man. I think I'm gonna close the stream up here. If you guys are not in the Discord, what are you guys doing, man? Get in the freaking Discord down below. I'll catch you guys in the next freaking video. Patrick, if you're still here, bro, freaking join up on VC, man. I'll see you at some point in fucking VC, bro. We should get a VC going in your server. I don't know fucking voice chat, bro. But that fucking consortium food that I sent you is fucking crazy, dude. But alright, guys. I'll see you guys later. Yo, peace out, bro. Peace.